Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of the weekend edition of Sunday, February the 3rd and February the 4th, 2024. It's actually today, Sunday. And in this additional, I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. Three puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and the Four Stars Sudoku. And I will continue with this one. Yes, the Four Stars Sudoku number 7934. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one 24. Yeah, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only one. 1, 2, 3, 4 twos. Alright. We have here 3 threes, 3 fours. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4 fours. 1, 5, 1, 6, 2 sevens, 4 eights. All right, 1, 9. So the twos, the fours, and eights are a majority. Wow. Can I start with a 2? Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below the only place left with a 2 should be there. Two. Cannot continue with the 2 now, need to wait. How about a 4? Uh, 4, 4. No, it will be difficult, the 4s. About the 2s then? No, the 8s. 8, 8. 8, 8. Yeah. Mm. Well. 8. Need an 8 here. 8 there. 8. 8 here. 8. Will be difficult again. Alright. Ooh. Need a 4 here. Okay. Let me think. 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these two boxes. Here 9, this row, no 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 9 in one of those two boxes in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 7. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 in these two boxes. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Last column. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. So the only place left with 3 in this column, last column, should be there. And if eliminated here, the 7, so the 7 goes there. And if eliminated here, the 9, so the 9 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left with 3 should be there. 3, 3. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Need a 4 here. Need an 8 here. Need a 9 here. 9, 9. And I need a 3 here. Yep. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this row. 3 of those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 9, the 8, and the 3. 3, 8, 9. So we have 3, 8, 9 in this column. So no 3, 8, 9 in this box. 3, 8, and the 9 goes in those 3 boxes. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 in this column. So no 3 and 9 in this box. So 3 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. So 1 digit left should be the 8. And we have 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 1, 3, 4. 9, 9. 3, 3. 9, 9. 7. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 6, 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7, 5. Seven. Yeah. 7. 7. Come on. 1, 3. 1 or 3. No. 1 and a 4. 1, 4. So we need a 3 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 3 could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 could be here, could be there. Need a 1 here. Yeah, 1 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 1 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated there the 4, so the 4 goes there. I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. 3, oh, wait, two numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 6. That means the other two missing numbers in this big square. Other numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 5 and 8. Alright. This is 1, okay. Okay, we have a pair, 1 and a 7 in this row, 1 and a 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. Then 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 9 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in this second column, so the fifth column, the only 3 places left for 3 should be here, here, or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the row below, no 3 there. So the only place left for 3 should be there. Need 7 here. Come on. 194. 172. Need a 7. Need a 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 and 6. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 now in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Alright. So we have a 1 in one of those two boxes. Here also 1 in one of those two boxes. That means in this row, we need a 1. Here can be 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1. We have 1 in this column. So the 1 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 6, 5, 2, 6, 5, 2. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. The first row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, and look, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here can be a 7, we have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. Cannot fill this yet, but we have 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And I've told you 4 and the 5 in this row. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 5 and 8, we have 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Yeah. 4. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Come on, come on, come on. Need an 8 here. Okay, we have a pair. The 8 and a 9 in this column. The 8 and a 9 in that column. So the column between. The only two places left for the 8 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be in and 9 goes there. A 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Done. 8. But the 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left is 7 should be there. 1 and a 7, we have 7 now in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. Mark those two boxes early with 1. We have 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mark. 1, the 2 is missing. 6 and the 4. 6 and the 4 are missing in the third row. 6 and the 4. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. And 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the mark. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so no row between. The only two places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. 4 stars, nope. 3 stars, nope. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.